Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 116th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. India 2-week community leadership training held for 37 new rectors of South Asia. Father Pathya Raj reports from Bangalore.
Don Bosco Renewal Centre, Bangalore, held 2 weeks of intensive training program for 37 new rectors of 8 out of the 12 provinces of South Asia from 17th to 29th July 2022. Some of the topics covered during the program included community animation and governance according to the Salesian constitutions and regulations, as well as the Rector's Manual. Other topics covered by experts were Salesian administration, canon law for superiors, psychosexual integration, child rights, protection of children from sexual offenses, tips for superiors, self-care in leadership, and a leadership challenge. Free health checkup for all participants was a bonus. Hosted in individual rooms, the participants enjoyed good, high-quality variety food as well as well-animated prayer moments. The participants also gave high rating on all parameters of both written and oral evaluation.
The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram, country code 919831020945. Cambodia, Salesian Sisters mark 30 years in Cambodia, opens first formation house. Sister Lisa John reports from Phnom Penh.
Marking 30-year presence in Cambodia, Salesian Sisters opened their first formation house with 2 local junior sisters, 2 novices and 2 aspirants. In 30 years, Salesian Sisters have 4 communities in Cambodia with 4 kindergarten, 2 elementary schools and a higher secondary school, and 2 skills training centers for tailoring, computer and food technology. Besides some 2,000 past pupils, there are 4 local sisters working along with 27 overseas sisters. It all began with 4 sisters belonging to 4 nationalities arriving in Cambodia in 1992. The pioneers began youth center with the poor children of the vicinity, teaching them English, typing and tailoring. Later, the center developed into a 2-year computer and secretarial course. In 1997, with the arrival of more sisters, they opened another center for tailoring and food technology.
Thailand, 7 Salesian family groups join catechetical training. Father Ekasit Talakulton reports from Bangkok.
The Salesian Family Commission on Catechetics organized an annual seminar with the theme Teaching Catechism Amidst Morality Crisis that challenges the faith of Thai youth. A total of 60 priests, religious, and lay catechists from 7 Salesian family groups participated. The commission, established in August 2018, consists of the Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Sisters Servants of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, Institute of the Daughters of the Queenship of Mary, Sisters of the Queenship of Mary, Volunteers of Don Bosco, and the Association of Mary Help of Christians. The speaker, Redemptorist Father John Wirat Amon Patana, explained the heart of moral formation in 3 R's, namely research, respect, and relationship. First, research. It helps in the study, search for answers, the sources, and the hidden problems. Second, respect. Respect the person, give them opportunity, believe in their potential, know how to trust and empower while taking care of the self-esteem of the young. Third, relationship. Building friendship as a companion in the journey, staying side by side, connecting to the heart with a friendly and not judgmental attitude. The participants were also reminded of the 3 R's of Salesian pedagogy, namely reason, religion, and loving kindness of Don Bosco.
China, Salesians mark 30 years of Youth Outreach Crisis Intervention. Director of Radio Salesian, Father C.M. Paul reports.
Youth Outreach Ministry started in Hong Kong with Salesian and social welfare professionals contributing from a small room in 1991. Now it has a 16-floor building with more than 100 staff, many volunteers, and thousands of supporters. Many lay mission partners, networking with many private and government institutions, joined hands with founder and honorary president, Salesian Father Peter Newberry, to make this miracle happen. Youth outreach services today include nightly street outreach, short-term accommodation, crisis phone line, counseling, 24/7 open hangout, hip-hop school, and competitions, and many other programs.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. Japan Salesian Rector Don Mickey uses gospel magic to impress youth with good news message. Rafael Makoto Yamada reports from Nakatsu.
Japanese Salesian Father Peter Yasutaka Muramatsu is rector of the Nakatsu House on Kyushu Island in southern Japan. Known as Don Mickey, he uses gospel magic as a way to communicate with people. It all started during his theology study days in the Philippines some 40 years ago, where he followed the example of Don Bosco, who first used juggling and conjuring tricks to attract young people and lead them to Jesus. Aware of the power and opportunities of digital media, since Christmas 2012, Don Mickey has also been sharing his videos online through his YouTube channel called Gospel Magic. To date, July 2022, There are 23 short videos in which he performs funny tricks and skits. Most of these videos were filmed during some Salesian family events, and some even had a lecture major among the passionate viewers. All the videos were made in Don Mickey's studio.
Indonesia, new building to house vocational training center blessed. Father Adi Prinanto reports from Sumba.
On the 23rd of July 2022, Holy Cross Bishop Edmund Woga of Wetabula blessed the new building of Don Bosco Vocational High School at Sumba. Present at the event was the Regent of Southwest Sumba, Dr. Cornelius Kodimete, who stated that Salesians will continue to shake Sumba with their works. The event was also attended by the chairperson of Salesian Indonesia Foundation, as well as Salesian Vice Provincial Economer, and Divine Word Society Parish Priest. Salesian principal of the school stressed on the importance of human development that needs to go hand in hand with physical development. The event closed with the signing of the commemorative plaque by the bishop and distribution of souvenirs. Salesians are present in Sumba Island since 2001, starting with a humble small-scale vocational training center and youth center. The school now has made giant strides with the help of a vibrant group of past pupils of Don Bosco.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.